Hi, Sara Levin, the Artful Inker here. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, for this one simple trick video, I wanted to share a couple of tips on how I'm using the new Butterfly Brilliance stamp set and the Brilliant Wings dies. This is a new bundle from Stampin' Up! That's available now as a sneak peek and will be in the 2021-22 annual catalog. So I've got my Butterfly Brilliance stamp set on my Stamparatus. My piece of basic white is 4 3/4 by 6. I'm going to ink that up with my Memento ink pad. So let's just take a minute here. You, of course, could choose any color that you wish to. I'm just doing them in black. Okay, just making sure that everybody's well inked. And then let's close this up and give it an all-over rub to transfer the ink. Okay, and slide this open. And there we have all of our beautiful butterflies. So let's take this out of the way for a moment. And I want to bring in my full-size Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And we're going to take our sheet of butterflies and let me grab the coordinating Brilliant Wings die, and of course you can cut all of these at one time, and I'm just checking to make sure that my antennae here are in, and there we go. So that's the trick for cutting these out, having the spacing correct, is check your antennae. I would say this one here, and then this one over here will make sure that you're adjusted correctly to for all of the other spacing. So I'm just putting down some washi tape and sliding on my top plate, and let's run this through. The cracking is normal. Okay. The cracking sound, that is. Okay, and let's pop these out, and you get a whole, I should have looked up the word for, I don't know, do butterflies swarm? All of these butterflies stamped and ready to go as they are, or add a little color with Stampin' Blends or the watercolor pencils. So then my next tip, let's move these out of the way and bring that Stamparatus back in. So then we're going to take the Stamparatus, and since I have not previously marked my piece of grid paper here for my Stamparatus, that's available in my Stampin' Up! Store. I'm just going to do a quick stamp here on the grid paper, and then I keep this grid paper for the life of a stamp or a die, so that then I've got this to work with each time. So then I'm going to take my piece here that we die cut from and lay it down. And I want to stamp one of these butterflies, but I don't want all of the butterflies here. So you could die cut this first, but what I'm going to do is just lay this under this piece that's right here, and then just worry about inking this one. So You can, as I said, you can die cut first, or you can stamp first and die cut. And we're doing the stamp first and die cut. Just have to move my, and then just give this a good rub here to transfer that ink. And then we've stamped a single butterfly. So let's take that out of the way and bring that Stampin' Cut and Emboss back up here. And we'll lay this down and take that Brilliant Wings die again. And as you see, it's no trouble at all to just line up the single butterfly. And we'll run that through. As I said before, cracking and popping is normal with die cutting. And let's take that out. And move this out of the way. And here we have our single butterfly. So, one more. And finally, it's to use the Brilliant Wings die first, and then bring in your Stamparatus. Again, you've kept this die cut sheet, and you're just going to add your butterfly right in the die cut space, and ink up the butterfly that you want to stamp. And then just give it a good press and transfer that ink. And it's all die cut, stamped, and ready to go. So thanks for stopping by today. Give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed these tips. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell if you'd like to be notified the next time I upload a video. And if you're in the United States, please do some of your shopping for Stampin' Up! Products in my store. Have a great day. Bye.